Well, if you are thinking of spending money on a big ticket item, something out there, you want to make sure you're protected from buying defunct merchandise. Andy Crouppen of Brown & Crouppen is here to help. He also brought along some goodies, some of his favorite gift picks. We're going to get to what you're holding there, but let's start.
What are you talking about?
Hi. This monster truck here, this is a remote control truck. And we have these, I own these, but they're battery operated. This one is not.
That's on the high end of the spectrum.
Yes.
And this is one of the best things I've ever owned in my life.
Really?
Yes. Other than a dog.
It is gas powered?
Yes. And Great Day's own Brooke, who used to live next door to me.
One of our producers.
I would
Didn't
go outside.
Didn't she call the authorities on you?
She didn't go that far. She called my father, though. I would go outside sometimes a little later at night and run it, and it's actually a little bit loud. And the next day I'd come here. Were you running your truck outside last night?
And that's exactly how Brooke sounds, yeah.
Yeah, you know, she's like 100 years old complaining about the noise the neighbors are making.
I understand it's very, very loud.
It's very loud.
So
I probably should have been doing a little earlier in the day, but it's just so much fun.
Okay. How much does this thing, did it
That's
run?
a lot.
It's
That's
a lot.
about $500 or $600.
Wow.
And it's not something for the novice user, but if they do have lower end models, battery operated models.
And what you see here, that's dirt. I mean, it's been out. It's been
out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, your next favorite is all things Apple. Yes,
I'm a little bit of an Apple fanboy.
Are you? I'm thinking about the iPad. You love it?
I love it. It's great. It's a great little device. It's great for business. It's great. Then you take it home. It's great to use to sort of look at any email or watch videos. And then my sister has one, and some coworkers I know have one. They then hand it off to their children, who will watch children's movies, play games on it. It really is a device that the whole family can use.
There's so many e-readers on the market right now. How do you know?
You know, I look at this as a little different device. I've almost thought about getting a Kindle as well, because it's a little smaller, a little more portable, a lot lighter and easier to read a book on. So I don't think the two are mutually exclusive.
Okay.
Some of them have different book formats. You just kind of got to see. The Kindle, I think, is the most popular, has the most titles available. But you can download a Kindle app for the iPad if you want to try it out first. But you can't watch videos on it.
Now, what is this?
This is for the cyclist in your life.
Okay.
This is a bicycle computer that'll tell you, you know, how fast you're going, how many revolutions per minute, heart rate monitor, everything.
Oh, I know a few people who could use that.
Yeah.
And then you like books. You're going to give a lot of books this year?
I'm going to give a few books. I just read Gary Dell'Abate's book, Howard Stern's producer, which is an excellent book that was out for the holidays.
Big Howard Stern fan.
A big Howard Stern fan. Adam Carolla, another talk show host, has a great new book out. I probably normally read more nonfiction, but those happen to be two, or rather more fiction. Those happen to be two nonfiction books I read.
Now, I do want to tell people how to protect themselves, but what do you have in your hands?
This is something that I brought so I can light Junior up with. Oh, it's clogged.
It's jamming?
We'll come back to this. Let's go to the Apple TV.
All right, while you're fixing that, though, you do recommend buying items with credit cards.
You know, what happens is, and check with your credit card companies.
We're talking expensive stuff, by the way, guys. Yeah.
Because what happens is sometimes they offer a little more protection. There'll be additional warranties or guarantees, sometimes even for loss or theft or damage.
Okay.
So sometimes it just adds a little more than the traditional manufacturer store warranty.
Go for it. Go for it.
Yeah?
Go for it.
There you go.
There it is.
Oh, right in the face.
Tag him. Excellent. Awesome.
Yeah, that's it.
All right. By the way, drink responsibly. Designated driver.
And shoot responsibly.
Designated driver is the way to go if you're celebrating this holiday season. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have a legal question for Brown & Crouppen, email us at greatday@kmlb.com. We'll get it.